So I'm going to give you guys another variation of the strum pattern for this song. Some of you guys have asked about the strum pattern, and it doesn't match up, I guess. So here is one variation. The one that I gave you guys was more of an easy one, but this one I'll go kind of around the tempo. The tempo is around 140, so I'll have that playing in the back. Strum pattern that I'm going to use is a down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Okay? So here you go. One, two, three, four. One, two, three. Alright, so hopefully that helped you out with the strum pattern. So again, the one that I gave you guys was more of a basic one, and this one kind of follows more of the tempo. And it kind of depends, like say you're doing a cover of it, then you can go at your own pace rather than playing with the song. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and thanks for the comments. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.